In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a WordPress domain. Whether you're starting a personal blog or setting up a business site, getting your domain on WordPress is a crucial first step. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. Let's begin by heading over to the WordPress website, which you can easily find by typing wordpress.com into your web browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll see a home page welcoming you with the promise of simple website creation. This is where all the magic begins. Follow the link to get started on your journey to creating a brand new website. On the home page, look for the Get Started button. It's usually displayed prominently to guide new users seamlessly through the setup process. Click on this button and you'll be led to the sign-up page. This is an exciting step because it marks the official start of your WordPress journey. You're about to become part of a massive community of creatives, writers, and entrepreneurs who love sharing their voice through the online world. Now you'll need to continue by signing up with an account. WordPress allows you to sign up using your email, Google account, or even your Apple ID. Choose whichever option suits you best, keeping in mind security and convenience. If you're logging in with an existing Google or Apple account, the process will be much quicker, as you'll avoid the need to create a new password. But if you're old school, use your email to create a classic WordPress account with a brand new password you'll remember. Upon logging in, it's time to choose your domain name. A domain name is your unique address on the web, the name people type in to find your website. You'll be given the option to choose a free domain, which typically comes with a WordPress subdomain, such as yoursite.wordpress.com, or you can opt for a custom domain. A custom domain might be preferable if professionalism is key, as it allows you to drop the .wordpress part. Type in your desired domain name to check its availability and view different domain suffix options like .com or .net. Switching gears, you'll need to make a decision about your plan. Words of wisdom here. WordPress offers both a free plan and several paid variants. If you're just starting out with minimal needs, the free plan could be perfect. It provides you with essential tools to build a good-looking website without spending a penny. For more serious or business-oriented sites, a paid plan might be the way to go, offering more customization, space, and additional features like themes and plugins that cater to advanced functionality. And there you have it. You're now on your way to building your WordPress site. You have the foundation of a WordPress domain, and you're set to explore, create, and share your vision. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Happy website